Alright, what's up, stoners? Welcome to the local band Smokeout.
Hey, it's Mish, the lead singer of Horizon, and you're watching local band Smokeout.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to another local band, Smokeout. I am your host, who's High the Most BG. Checking out rapper, singer, Nothing Nowhere, an artist we discovered the other day on the Twitch show that we do 5 times a week. This one's called Sledgehammer, out of Vermont, on Instagram, at Nothing Nowhere. Please go there and follow him and support him. I'm not really sure what to expect. We checked out a different song, maybe like 30 seconds of it, and I was like, wow, this is pretty amazing. So I wrote it down, and that's how we got to this point. Spark it if you got it. This is Nothing Nowhere Sledgehammer, and if you end up enjoying this reaction video, please consider clicking the subscribe button for me so you never ever miss any of these reactions. Here we go.
I remember breaking down in the backseat, trying to figure out last time I was happy. That day's magazine photo flashing. I got 18, but I'm still feeling lacking. I can't.
Yeah, I love his vocals. His voice is really, really good.
Get the pain when it's too late, but real life doesn't end like the movies. I don't wanna turn to everything that you hate, so I'ma go in and make you watch it. I lose my mind every damn night. I told myself it was alright. I need some time.
I like the beat too. It kind of has like a little bit of a Black Bear vibe to me in certain spots. But in general, this is only the second song I've ever heard from Nothing Nowhere, and this is pretty fantastic. I still ain't got the answers. See the scene grow from the seeds that I planted. I like the guitar in the track right there.
Northeast race, I ain't moving down to Tampa. Bought a new crib for a house like a tenner. Stay the same kid out back bumping Venom. Years go by and I'm still dropping hammers. I lose my mind every damn night. I told.
It's a cool video too. It looks like a lot of it was like AI generated, but I like the fact that he wears the mask too to kind of like keep a mystery about him. I don't know if he does that all the time or just for this particular song, but hell yeah. I like the guitar going on in the beat. It's got like just a simple guitar pattern.
Myself, it was alright. I need some time. Your hands in mine. I told myself it was alright.
I kind of wish the song was a little bit longer. It's a short one. Oh, I guess that answers my question that he doesn't wear a mask a lot of other times. You live and you learn. Nothing Nowhere with Sledgehammer out of Vermont on Instagram at Nothing Nowhere. I'm gonna go 9.3 on that one. I wish it was a little bit longer, but I love his singing voice. The beat's really cool. Guitar in the beat was cool. It's just cool. It's not normally my style too, but I totally with that one. That's not bad at all. So please support him on Instagram at Nothing Nowhere. 9.3 out of 10 for me. Please consider clicking the subscribe button if you ended up enjoying this reaction video. We post an absolute ton of them. I think we're nearing our 5,000th reaction. What? Something like that. We've got a lot, but hopefully we'll catch you guys on the Twitch show, twitch.tv/localbandsmokeout. We always have guests, prizes, trivia, and punishments. Please stop by, make a request. That's how we found this artist. Any genre, just come say what's up. Other than that, I am your host, who's High the Most BG, saying cheers, keep blazing,
Smoke weed every
and peace.
day.
I'll catch you guys next time.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Gypsy Lee.
I'm Matt Gerber, and we are Scarlet and Harmony.
For fans of bands like Thy Art Is Murder,
Infinite Annihilator,
Lorna Shore,
Fit for an Autopsy, please feel free to check us out at Scarlet and Harmony on YouTube, Spotify, and anywhere else you may stream music.
we'd really appreciate it. Hope you meet them.